Hi there. Here with us today we have one of the very first PXW-FX9 cameras to come straight from the production line. So what we're going to do is open up this box, see what's inside, so you know exactly what to expect when it arrives on your doorstep. Let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. Okay, let's take a quick look at what's inside the box. As you'd expect from any Sony product, one of the first things you'll find inside the box will be the user manual. And I think it's worth mentioning, if you've just bought a Sony product and you register that product with Prime Support Pro within 60 days of purchase, you will receive an extra year's service coverage for free. Here we have a camera strap. Then we also have a USB cable to connect the camera to a computer. And we also have an AC power adapter, as well as something else you'd probably expect in a Sony professional product, the power charger. We also have the eyepiece and LCD monitor with all the necessary connections required to connect it to the FX9, as well as a quick release to remove the eyepiece if necessary. Also in the box, you'll find a variety of different power cords for your specific region. And if you lift up this top compartment here, you'll find underneath additional accessories such as the BPU-35. Now this is the new high-capacity battery that powers the FX9, as well as other Sony professional cameras from the FS7 series and the FS5 series. Now if you take out these two compartments here and put them to one side, underneath we will find the hand grip for the PXW-FX9. Now this hand grip is very similar to the FS5 series and the FS7 series, how it's been redesigned to make it a lot more ergonomic and a lot more user-friendly. And of course, the moment we've all been waiting for, we take this compartment out. Underneath you will find the PXW-FX9. And of course, if you're purchasing or renting the FX9 with the kit lens, you can find it right there in the box. And of course, there is so much more to this than just a good looking ergonomic camera body. Be sure to check out our professional Sony website for more information on the FX9's 6K full frame sensor, fantastic colour science, high speed autofocus and much more. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.